Welcome to Study Gap, where we break down physics, math, and electronics into simple real-life concepts you will never forget. Okay, so in the last video, we have learned about three basic gates, AND, OR, and NOT gate. Today, our topic is NAND and NOR gate. So you can see on the screen, there are two gates. So this one is called NAND gate, and this one is called NOR gate. So first come to the NAND gate. So if we apply A and B here in the input terminal of the NAND gate, you will get y equals to A dot B complement. So we can see that A dot B is basically the output of a AND gate, but NAND gate gives you the complement version of the output of a AND gate. So you can say it's a complement version of a AND gate. Okay. Now let's make it truth table. So this is the truth table of a NAND gate. So A and B are input and Y as output. So at the output we are basically getting A dot B bar. Now 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So according to this function, 0 0 means 0 and the complement of 0 is 1. So you can see here that 0 dot 0 is basically 0, but the complement of 0 is 1. Okay, so based on this logic, I have written that 1. Next, 0 dot 1. So 0 dot 1 is basically 0, but its complement is 1. Again, 1 dot 0 is 0 and complement of 0 is 1. And 1 dot 1 means 1, but its complement is 0. So this is the truth table of a NAND gate. Next, come to the NOR gate. So in case of a NOR gate, if you apply A and B as an input, you will get Y equals to A plus B complement. So again, you can say this is a complement version of the OR gate. Here you can see a bubble. Bubble means a complement. Okay. So let's make the truth table of NOR gate. So now if we take A and B as an input and Y as an output, then Y equals to A plus B bar. Let's write the combination 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So now for 0 plus 0 is basically 0, like this. 0 plus 0 is 0, but the complement of 0 is 1. That's why we are writing here 1. Again, for this combination, 0 plus 1 is 1, but the complement of 1 is 0. Like this, 0 plus 1 is 1, sorry, but the complement of 1 is 0. Similarly, 1 plus 0 is 1, but the complement of 1 is 0. Now, the last one, 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 1, but the complement of 1 is 0. So you must remember that complement of 0 is always 1 and the complement of 1 is always 0. So here 1 plus 1 is 1, but the complement of 1 is 0. Okay, so now we have constructed the truth table for NAND gate. So this is the truth table of NAND gate and this is the truth table for NOR. In the next video, we are going to learn about XOR gate and XNOR gate. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Keep exploring with Study Gap. Bye.